Well, just a quick follow-up video on the DreamBlaster that I bought a couple months ago. The Yamaha sound card that I wanted to use it with just for some reason would not output the sound from the device through to the audio output. So I found on eBay this really cheap Yamaha sound card with free shipping international, so I picked it up. And today I thought we'd just throw it in, put the DreamBlaster S2 on it, and see if it works. Process is pretty simple. Here's the card here. It looks pretty much identical to my last one, which is, you know, good. Most of these Audition 32s pretty much the same. The process on this one's going to be pretty easy. I'll just remove a couple of screws from the back of the computer chassis itself, lifting the lid off, and it's pretty much a case of just switching the old one out for the replacement. Windows takes care of all the drivers. There's actually Windows drivers for these if needed. But yeah, pretty easy to switch over. I'm not entirely sure what the difference is between these two, my old one on the left, new one on the right, but yeah, they seem to be slightly different. Just to throw the new one in. Oi, big nose! Well, with everything connected back together, it's just a matter of turning the machine on, and as you can see, the drivers are automatically installed. You can get other ones. Something interesting happened when I was testing it though. You can hear the buzziness of the card, and then that happened. There's some jumpers here on the card you can use to disable the internal audio amplifier. I'd recommend doing that. But yeah, reboot and test now, we'll see if it works. Just kidding, the card works fine. Changing those jumpers really did help with the audio quality, a cleaner signal, so if you've got one of those, do those jumpers. But yeah, easy to switch over to the DreamBlaster and we'll test it out. I was really pleased to hear that the replacement card actually worked with, or was compatible with, the little DreamBlaster. But yeah, it's a matter of throwing the lid back on this and putting the screws in the case, and it's all wrapped up. Now I can pick a few more of these up. But yeah, definitely still highly recommended if you haven't got one. Pick one up, it's amazing, change your life. Links in the description, and thanks for watching.